Hey everyone, welcome back to English Made Easy. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content. Today we're diving into 10 life-changing hacks you wish you knew sooner. These tips and tricks will make your daily life easier, more efficient, and definitely more fun. So let's get started. Hack 1: Ziplock Bag Stand. Ever struggled to fill a Ziploc bag without making a mess? Use a cup to hold it steady. Simply place the bag inside the cup, fold the edges over the rim, and voila! You have a sturdy stand for easy filling. Hack 2: Ice-cold drinks in minutes need to chile. Drink fast, wrap a wet paper towel around your bottle, and place it in the freezer for 10-15 minutes. The drink will be ice-cold in no time. Hack 3: Place permanent marker accidentally. Used a permanent marker on a whiteboard? Don't panic, just write over the marks with a dry erase marker. Then wipe it clean, the solvent in the dry erase marker breaks down the permanent ink. Hack 4: Boost your Wi-Fi. Signal was struggling with weak Wi-Fi? Use a soda can, cut off the top and bottom, then cut it down the middle to create a flat sheet. Place it behind your router to amplify the signal. Hack 5: Keep your salad fresh longer. Tired of soggy salads? Store your salad with a paper towel in the container. The towel absorbs excess moisture, keeping your greens fresh and crispy. Hack 6: Easy pancake batter dispenser. No need for fancy gadgets. Use an empty ketchup bottle to dispense pancake batter. It's mess-free and perfect for making fun shapes. And hack 7: Prevent boiling. Prevent pots from boiling over by placing a wooden spoon across the top. The wood absorbs some heat and breaks the bubbles. Hack 8: Remove chewing gum from clothes. Got gum stuck on your clothes? Freeze the garment for an hour. The gum hardens and can easily be scraped off. Hack 9: Store bed sheets in pillowcases. Keep your linen closet organized by storing matching bed sheets inside one of their pillowcases. It keeps everything together and tidy. Hack 10: Quick and easy phone stand. Need a phone stand in a pinch? Use a pair of sunglasses. Simply rest your phone between the folded arms, and you have an instant stand. And there you have it. 10 life-changing hacks you wish you knew sooner. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment below which hack was your favorite, or if you have any other great tips to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.